Hello again. The integrated development environment for the sharkC64 language has now many small improvements. However, the biggest improvement is the added support for projects. Let's have a look. When you open the home screen, you can immediately notice that the integrated development environment refers now to projects instead of modules. You can open an existing project, create a new project, edit a module in a project, build a project, and run it. As for the system section, it has remained mostly as it was. The biggest change is that it now uses an input dialog for asking the home folder and the emulator file. It has also now improved error messaging if you happen to type an incorrect file or folder name. If you open an existing project, the development environment shows a file dialog. You can then choose the main file of the project. Once you do that, the development environment automatically compiles the project and opens the main module in the editor. If the project has some errors, you can see them now immediately when you open the project. If you create a new project, the development environment asks for the name of the project. The name must be a valid module name that does not exist. Once you enter a name, the development environment opens a template for the main module in the editor. The module editor also supports now projects. You can open a module of the project while the editor remains within the project. When you try to open a module, the development environment shows a list of existing modules. You can pick the module from the list. Once the module has been opened, it is automatically compiled. Also, the header row shows now what is the name of the project that you are working on. If you create a new module, the development environment asks for its name. It also creates a template content for it. When editing a module of the project, you can choose to compile just that module. If you like, you can also build the entire project while staying in the edited module. If the project compiles successfully, you can also run it while staying in the edited module. In addition to these features, there are also other new features. For instance, you can quickly revert all the changes in the module with one menu action. So those were some of the latest improvements to the integrated development environment. Next, I will be adding function bodies to the sharkC64 language. Until then, thanks for stopping by and see you soon!